So this is a device used to remove the foreign body particles stuck inside the trachea or the windpipe. So it is an object. Basically, explaining it in layman terms, what happens is small objects such as peanuts, small LEDs or nails get stuck inside small children's trachea or the windpipe, due to which they are not able to breathe. We have a traditional method for this surgery, which is known as a bronchoscopy surgery, which is done with the help of an instrument named bronchoscope. But there are some complications with that instrument, such as it cannot be adjusted. It has to be brought in different sizes for different patients. It's very costly and every doctor cannot afford it. Also, the training is very special and it's complicated to assemble. What we have done is our device known as Breathing for Life. The tube is adjustable this way, and then the tube has small holes to provide oxygen. We have claws at the end, a camera and a mesh surrounding it. The claws work like this. That's how we open up with a single push button. We also have an app about it, which has various features such as the mechanism of the device, the about us, the buying options, precautions for the doctors, precautions for the patients, as well as many training modules to help the doctors. Thank you.